All right, what is up, y'all? I am so excited to do this October holiday preset with you guys. I think it is the perfect timing for it because we got a full month before the craziness of the holiday starts, and it's the perfect amount of the things that will give us the results that we're looking for, slightly challenging, and yet all of us can do it. Now, I'm not sure if you noticed in the newsletter we did this week, we are offering for anyone who's not already in the community a 30-day free trial to get in here and see how freaking amazing it is. And that should take them through the majority of the challenge. So we all have people that we care about. We have friends, we have family members, co-workers, acquaintances, people that we know that need this very important information, especially considering these times that we're going through. So this is the perfect opportunity to invite some people in here that you care about. The more people that get in here, the better it gets for all of us. And so I want to show you how to invite people using a special link that you have for yourself. If you come over to invite, then you'll notice that as you scroll down here, you have a custom link that's associated with you. You can copy that link, you can text it to someone, or you can email it to them, and that will give them the 30-day free trial so they can get in here and experience this place. Now remember, this weekend we have our kickoff meeting where I'm going to go over details of the challenge, and this is hosted through Zoom, so when you click going, you'll have access to the Zoom link. And if you can't make it this weekend, and if your friends or family members you're inviting can't make it, no big deal, because we do record that and put it as a course inside of our courses. And by the way, this challenge is going to be hosted as a course. So if we come over to courses, we'll see that we have the October holiday preset. You can go ahead and join this course. We'll be populating it pretty soon with our different handouts and all the things we're going to be using. So one of the modules will be that kickoff meeting, and then every week we'll keep adding modules. Inside this course, what's really cool is we'll have our own little activity feed where we can talk to each other just about this course. Of course, you can share it in the main activity feed. But this is really awesome. Again, simplistic, powerful, gives you the results that you want, very doable, slightly challenging. We've got some really cool handouts that we put together. We've got our 4-week progression here that we'll be sharing here pretty soon, and each week broken out. And then we also have what's really cool are these weekly diligence trackers. So these diligence tracker are broken out by week with the specific goals, and then we also have some blank diligence trackers. We've also got the old school, what do we got? Oh, the monthly diligence tracker that you can use. Some people love that. We've also got the monthly in a calendar format here. So again, this is going to be really fun. I can't wait to do it with you guys, and I think it's a great opportunity to invite some other people in here. If you have any questions, please let me know.